True wireless earphones are everywhere now. Battery life tends to be solid, connectivity stable, and fit comfortable. So where does the earphone style go next? New niches for specific use cases? That's where enter the Philips ST702 True Wireless Earphones. The look is familiar, battery powered, wire-free earbuds that sits in a pillbox shaped charging case that quickly connect to your audio device over Bluetooth when removed from their chamber. Each pair is splash sweat or waterproof, but it is the true wireless ST702 that have really pricked our perspiring ears. The ST702 is slightly smaller from Amazon EchoBuds, much lighter and more premium. Soft rubberized wingtips are there to keep each one in place. Plus you get 3 interchangeable ear tip cover so you can find a cozy fit for your ear canals. Once wearing them they feel featherweight and the wingtip seems to be doing their job. Passive noise isolation is perfectly reasonable too. On the bud itself, an LED ring surrounds the Philips logo and turns solid blue when Bluetooth is paired. Pairing feels fairly instantaneous once they are removed from their charging case. The case is more like the can. On the side of the case, you will find an LED battery indicator, another LED to signify when UV cleaning is taking place, a micro USB port to charge them. Whether you are a fitness fanatic, constant commuter, or simply have a questionable personal hygiene, it's hard not to get excited about the UV cleaning feature. Slide the buds into charging case and 20 seconds later a session of ultraviolet rays has disinfected each one, clearing them of bacterial nasties. The case also offers 2 full charges, bringing total playtime of 18 hours if you include the bird's battery capacity of 6 hours. There is also a 15-minute fast charge option for 1.5 hours of playtime. The ST702 come with tap controls and voice assistant support, both of which appear to work well. Bluetooth 5.0 for a stable connection and an IPX5 waterproof and sweatproof rating. Philips is entering a true wireless arena when competition is fierce. Even if you are not creating sports specific earphones, most come with some degree of sweat or waterproofing deemed acceptable for gym sessions. The ST702 have a clear advantage over many rivals thanks to its rapid UV clean feature. They are lightweight and come with a secure fit too. They are the key factors when choosing a pair for energetic workouts. Whether sound quality can mix it with the best is still up to debate, but we hope to bring you a full version soon. If you found this video interesting or helpful, thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed it yet and hit the bell icon. And I will see you in my next video.